हॅलो नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुमच्या सगळ्यांचं स्वागत आहे आमच्या SOC क्लासेस टेकमध्ये. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण क्लास 8 इंग्लिशचा 3.2 द सॉन्ग ऑफ द सॉंग्स या लेसनचा चिटचॅट बघतोय. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुम्हाला अजून जर क्लास 8 संबंधी व्हिडिओ पाहिजे असतील तर आत्ताच आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि या व्हिडिओला लाईक आणि शेअर करायला विसरू नका. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, व्हिडिओला सुरुवात करण्यापूर्वी एक क्वेश्चन आहे तुमच्यासाठी. चूज द करेक्ट मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड इंटेलिजंट. ऑप्शन ए आहे स्मॉल इन अ साईज, बी क्रुएल इन अ नेचर, सी क्लेवर अँड डी स्टुपिड. तुम्हाला याचा आन्सर आम्हाला कॉमेंट करायचा आहे.
Hi guys, welcome to the SOC Classes Tech. You are watching YouTube channel. If you are new on this channel, you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So guys, today we are going to look the cheat chart of 3.2, the Song of the Songs, Class 8 English. The first cheat chart that, do you like to listen to music or songs? Answer is yes. I love to listen to music or songs. It provides a peace to our mind. Second question is that what type of the song do you sing? Okay, what type of song do you sing? I like to listen the old songs, but I also like to sing a old song. So I like to sing a old song. Third question is that who is your favorite singer? Answer is my favorite singer is Lata Mangeshkar. You may write according to you whose singer do you like. Okay, so you may write this answer of these questions by pausing the video. Fourth question is that when do you sing? Answer is I sing when I am in a good mood. Do you practice singing under the guidance of the Guru? Answer is no. I am not practicing under the Guru. If you are taking the practice under the Guru, you may write yes, I am taking the lesson from the Guru. According to you, you might answer according to you. Guys, there are the two major difference between the folk dance and classical dance. The classical music is considered an art of form which has evolved over year, whereas the folk music is considered as a more traditional form of art. So these are the two major difference of the folk music and classical music. Now we have to see the musical instrument which has been used over a year. So there are the Indian and Western. The following are the Indian musical instrument: tabla, shahnai, flute, sitar and harmonium. So these are the Indian musical instrument which has been used over a year to producing the different sounds. Then Western. So these are the Western musical instrument: drum, guitar, bass, violin, fiddle. So these are the Western musical instrument which is widely used in Western countries. So guys, this is the last question of the chit chat. One column has given the rag and second column is given the occasion, on which occasion which rag is sing. Okay, the first one is look the rag malkauns. The first is rag malkauns, which is the which sing on the occasion of the late night. Then rag marwa, which is sing on the late afternoon to the sunset. Rag bhairavi, which is sing at a morning raga. Okay, rag gaud sparang, which is sing early afternoon. Rag paharvi, which is sing at evening raga. So these are the rags and the occasion on which occasion it going to sing. So guys, in such a way we have completed the our chit chat of 3.2, the song of the song. If you have the more question, you may WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp channel links has been given into the description. Please check the description and take the more video. Thanks for watching this beautiful video. Subscribe the my channel and press the bell icon. Subscribe the my channel and press the bell icon. subscribe the my channel and press the bell icon.